Imagine you're standing in a dark field at midnight. The air crackles with mystery. The grass cool as velvet under your toes above you. A sea of stars stretches beyond eyesight. Now, here's a cosmic riddle. Out of those unfathomable billions, is Earth really the universe's only party with snacks and amoebas? Or are we late to a galactic potluck? Today, we're going on a cinematic trek, curious, playful, a bit mind-blown through the science and suspense behind the universe's greatest whodunit, the search for extraterrestrial life. Life isn't just yours, it's everywhere, it's everything, and we're here to explore it all. Be curious and stay curious. Astrobiology, it's as if biology, chemistry, geology, and astronomy all got together for a cosmic sleepover and swap secrets. Astrobiologists want to know, how did life begin here? Could it exist out there? And most mysterious, what would it even look like? Some look for microbes under Martian rocks. Others invent wild theories about planets with boiling acid oceans or creatures made of stuff we'd never imagine. Earth life is an exercise in chemistry with 6 key ingredients: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. Guess what? These elements aren't local. They're stardust, scattered lavishly from comets, meteorites, and interstellar clouds across the cosmos. Water, also everywhere, maybe not in silver lakes, but as buried oceans on icy moons. Puddles beneath Mars's surface, even as vapor drifting amidst the stars. If space is a giant kitchen, the recipe for life uses the same cosmic pantry over and over and over. In science, there's a delightful principle called the mediocrity principle. But simply, there's nothing uniquely special about our planet. We orbit an average star. In a typical galaxy, filled with planets, lots of planets, with hundreds of billions of stars in our Milky Way and most with planets, many in their Goldilocks zones. The odds tilt in favor of life not being a rare accident but an expected outcome. When the right ingredients come together, did life crawl out of a swamp or hitch a ride from space? Some scientists favor abiogenesis. Life kick-starting from simple molecules on a young, wacky Earth. Others say panspermia, cosmic delivery by meteorite. Either way, certain meteorites rain down with amino acids, life's basic building blocks, hinting that chemistry is the universe's common language. Side note, if you're disappointed that aliens probably aren't little green men, remember, microbes, tiny, stubborn, sneakily complex, are the true cosmic pioneers. We know carbon, but what about alien life that's silicon-based, or thrives on ammonia seas, or hibernates in something we call a deep freezer from hell? Scientists are expanding their imagination, dreaming past the Earth template. If life finds a way here, against chemical odds, maybe it does on 1,000 playgrounds stranger than we can guess. Since the 1990s, astronomers have detected thousands of exoplanets. Planets orbiting stars other than our own sun doesn't sit in their star's habitable zone. The not too hot, not too cold region where liquid water could pool. Technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope cue awe-inspiring shots of its gold mirrors. Let us peer into the atmospheres of these worlds, sniffing for biosignatures, telltale chemical hints of life. In 2023, scientists announced strange molecules in the atmosphere of exoplanet K218b. Some, like dimethyl sulfide, that on Earth come mostly from ocean-dwelling life. Intriguing, but not conclusive. Nature can make chemicals in bizarre ways too, so the scientists keep their party hats on hold. Still, every new planet, every odd molecule, adds suspense, one more clue in a universal scavenger hunt. It's not enough to spot something odd. Science needs overwhelming evidence, repeatable, unexplainable by geology or chemistry, reproducible across telescopes and experimenters. Only then does the champagne pop. K218b, close. But not there yet. The standards for a claim this big, astronomical. One way to frame the odds is the famous Drake equation. It's essentially a cosmic guess and check. How many stars are born each year? How many have planets? How many planets are habitable? How many spawn life, intelligent life, civilizations? Plug in optimistic values and you get thousands. The Milky Way is a galactic city bustling with life. Plug in pessimistic ones. Maybe we're a fluke. No one knows. But the math alone makes you look up at night, thinking, Why not? Enrico Fermi asked, if the galaxy should be crawling with aliens, why haven't we met any? Possible answers come in cosmic flavors. Intelligent life is rare. Civilizations destroy themselves. Aliens are there, but hiding or uninterested. Our tech is too primitive to notice them. Or maybe, just maybe, we haven't looked long, or smart, or far enough. The universe is huge, and we've only scanned a tiny patch. A massive survey of astrobiologists? Over 85% think simple life, bacteria, or something similar, likely exists somewhere. But intelligent life, that's where doubt creeps in. After all, on Earth, it took billions of years for intelligence to appear, and only one technological species. Scientists don't just look for squiggly creatures. They listen for bizarre signals, radio blips, laser flashes, even weird chemical footprints from distant factories and cities. The techno-signature hunt, from SETI to Webb, is a game of patience with billion-year odds. No jackpot yet, but our techniques keep improving. By the year, the hunt is hard. Even the closest stars are far beyond our rockets. Studying exoplanets means catching whispers in starlight, and most discoveries are inferences, not selfies. We must remind ourselves, don't assume all life will resemble Earth's. It might be colorless, invisible, or just really odd. If, someday, we define alien life, even if it's just a microbe, it would flip science, philosophy, maybe even religion, on its head. In the next decade, new telescopes will probe exoplanets better than ever. Space missions may scoop up dust from comets, drill into Mars, or crack open the icy shells of moons like Europa. No guarantee we'll find little green men, or even little green algae. But every unanswered question honed by science makes this the adventure of a lifetime. So, are we alone? Right now, we don't know. But the more we look, the less lonely the universe feels. So, the next time you look up at a sky bursting with stars, imagine you're peeking into a universal invitation. And remember, the greatest story ever told might still be awaiting its first alien guest star. Galaxies, planets, microbes, maybe civilizations. The universe is big enough for everyone, and the hunt is only just beginning. If you enjoyed riding this rocket of curiosity, subscribe, share, and let us know in the comments, what kind of alien worlds can you imagine? What questions keep you up at night? Thanks for watching and stay curious.